Have you ever wondered why your customers are leaving faster than you can replace them? What if I told you that reducing your customer churn rate by just 5% can double your profits? Double your profits. Sounds great, right? In this video, I will show you how you can calculate customer churn, why it's important to your business, and most importantly, I will give you 3 tips how you can reduce customer churn in your business right now. These are 3 pro tips that I have learned from coaching over 50 startups and some of the biggest companies worldwide. Let's dive right in. Did you ever cancel your Netflix, Spotify, or your gym membership? That's what customer churn is. It's when customers leave, when they unsubscribe, when they stop doing business with you. And it's super frustrating. I mean, picture this. You've poured your heart and soul into getting new customers. You invested time, money, and endless energy. And then, a few weeks later, they just leave. That hurts. Now, here is the hard truth about customer churn. If you don't tackle customer churn immediately, it will kill your business. In fact, customer churn is the main reason why 90% of startups fail. So we need to reduce customer churn as early as possible. Now, before I show you the 3 pro tips how you can reduce customer churn in your business, let me show you how you can calculate customer churn. After all, you cannot fix what you can't measure. To calculate customer churn, we divide the number of customers we lost during a specific period by the number of customers at the start of the period, and then multiply by 100. For example, if we started the month with 1,000 customers and lost 50 customers, our churn rate is 5%. Now that you know how to calculate customer churn, let's find out why people actually leave. There are 3 main reasons for customer churn. Let's dive into each of them. Imagine this. Your customers buy your product and love it. But over time, they start questioning whether it's worth the price they are paying. Maybe your product is not delivering the results your customers expected, or it just cannot keep up with the growing needs of your customers. When customers no longer see the value in your product, they will leave. I will show you in a second how you can handle this issue, but just keep in mind that this is one of the main reasons why customers leave. One of the areas where many businesses lose a lot of customers without even realizing it is bad customer service. We have all been there. We have an issue and we want to get some support. I recently had this experience myself. I had to wait for 3 days for customer support, and when I finally got the chance to, they were super rude. It was really frustrating and, well, I just unsubscribed. So keep in mind that customer service is super important when it comes to keeping your customers. And then there are your competitors. No matter how good your product or your service is, there is always somebody out there trying to do it better, or at least cheaper. So your competitors are constantly on the lookout to lure your customers away. Whether it's through lower prices or better features. And as soon as your customers start to feel like they're not getting the best deal with you, they will look for other options. So you want to avoid that. Now that you know the main reasons why customers leave, let's see how successful companies handle this issue. Let's take Netflix, for example. They have implemented some smart strategies to reduce churn. which you can apply for your business as well. Netflix realized that the key to keeping customers was to constantly provide new and engaging content. They invested heavily in in-house productions and new movies. That was one strategy to keep their customers. Another key strategy Netflix uses to keep customer churn low is to gather continuous customer feedback. When you regularly collect customer feedback, you know exactly what your customers want, and you can develop your product or your service in a way that is valuable to them. Netflix's approach shows how important it is to constantly provide value and how important it is to continuously gather customer feedback to find out what your customers actually want. But these are just the basics. Let me show you the 3 advanced techniques, the 3 pro tips that you can use in your business right now. Hey friends, we get back to the episode in just a second, but I've got something special for you. My 3 powerful startup success worksheets, completely free. These worksheets will help you skyrocket your growth with proven frameworks. You will discover how to build an effective growth funnel, the key metrics to measure your success, and the best marketing channels to get new customers. It's everything you need to take serious action towards building the thriving, successful startup of your dreams. Go to designwithvalue.com/gift and download your free worksheets right now. It's designwithvalue.com/gift. Now let's get back to the episode. First, you need to quickly guide your customers to the magical moment, the so-called aha moment. This is the moment when your customers see the full potential and the full value of your product. It's like when they are, oh wow, this is exactly what I've been looking for. And this moment is everything. The aha moment decides whether your customers stay with you or leave immediately. So you need to get your customers as fast as possible to the aha moment. Keep this in mind. The longer the time to value, the more likely customers are to churn. By the way, this moment is so important, the aha moment is so important that I have made an extra video for that. So check it out. Do you know this situation? You have an internet provider and he gives discounts to new customers all the time. Like 50% here, 30% here, 20% here. And you, as a loyal customer, you don't get any discount at all. That's unfair, and it was the main reason why I changed my internet provider. So to avoid that, I recommend you use a loyalty program. Here is how it works. For example, you can offer discounts on long-term subscriptions like here, or you can work with a point-based system, which means that customers earn points every time they log in, which they later can redeem for additional features or add-ons. The goal with a loyalty program is to reward your long-term customers, the people who are your real fans. Now, this is my absolute pro tip, and most people miss it. The best way to fight customer churn is to watch out for early warning signs. For example, this could be infrequent logins. Specific customers are taking much longer to complete tasks than average users, or shorter visit times. Whatever it is, if you see that customers show early warning signs for customer churn, you need to fight it immediately. A great way to do this is via email. For example, if you see that a customer logs into your service only once per month, you can send some emails to show what value you provide. Or if you see that a customer takes super long for a specific task, send an email and show a trick that saves him or her a lot of time. Customer churn can be frustrating, but with the strategies I showed you, you are well on your way to keeping your customers long term. Now, these are just the basics. Obviously, there are a lot more customer retention strategies. So if you're interested in more retention strategies, check out this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more pro tips on how to build a successful startup. I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye bye.